Okay, I want to order roll blanket and the app is telling me about...
Rolled blanket? Like you're eating bedding?
Let me check that. It's just a burrito, guys.
¿Cuántos enrollados? No entiendo.
Roll blanket.
¿Qué?
I said 3 roll blanket.
¿Qué?
Just say burrito. 3 burrito, por favor.
Okay.
Just say burrito. 3 burrito, por favor.
Okay.
I'll take the ground beef too, please.
Tubo de carne molida. Lo siento. No secos es eso.
It says here, ground beef too. I want to eat.
A ver. Puede ver. Quizás un taco.